To draw the isometric view of a triangle whose side is 60 mm and height is 40 mm. So this is the one we need to draw the isometric view of this triangle. So how do we need to draw the isometric view? That the isometric front view and as well as the isometric top view. So right now here the side is given for us is around like 60 mm and this height is around like 40 mm. So right now we need to draw the isometric view of this one. So how we need to construct? So first what I'm doing, we are already familiar with drawing of the square, how we need to draw. So based on that one only I'm going to construct this one. So right now I'm just enclosing this triangle in a square box. Now as I am enclosing this complete triangle in a square box with borders. So let me mark this point as like with capital letters 1, 2, 3, 4. So I am marking it with 4. Now you draw the isometric view of this one. So just in order to represent the front view, so that one and as well as the top view I am drawing it now. Draw the horizontal line. Just I'm making it 2 parts. So right now measure the height of this one. It's around like 40 mm and the side is of around this one. And at an angle of 30 degrees. That is the one. So right now over here. So actually from 1 to 4 the length is 60 mm. So I am taking 60 mm length over here at an angle of 30 degrees. And obviously this parallel height distance should be drawn at this corner. Now join this one with the parallel lines. Now you have drawn the isometric view of this one. That's the front view. Now measure the distance from 2 to half of this midpoint. What is the distance you need to measure and you need to mark it on this isometric projection. So now you can use the compass for this one to mark that one. So using compass, measure the distance from 2 to half of this distance and same manner here. So first before this we just make a markings here. This one is 1, 2, 3 and this end is 4. Now 2 as a center, cut down. So this is a what midpoint. Now join it to this one. And this bottom line should be darker. So this is what my isometric view of the triangle. And the next one, this is only what we can set as a, you can take this one as a front view, and as well as also if required we can take it as like the side view also. That is the one. And we need to draw for the top view. Same manner, the thing is that for when you are about to see it for top view, this side you need to draw the two lines considering it with respect to 30 degrees. So based on that, so first I make a mark over here. So considering the point either 1 is over here, I'm taking the 1 and at an angle of 30 degrees I'll mark it. 30 degrees over here, 30 degrees over here. So considering, so from here 1 to 2 I need to take this side, and 2 to 4 I'll be taking this side. So at an angle. So the same manner it should be drawn parallelly or from this point. You can mention the distance of 60 mm over here and join to this end. This is the one. Now again same manner, using the compass, measure the distance of this one. So with 2s, so this point is my 1, this is 2, 3, and this is 4. So now 2 as a center, cut dark here, and then afterwards join those points. Join 1 to midpoint and 2 that midpoint to, and then afterwards the base part also you need to join. So this is the isometric view of this one, isometric view of the triangle of its top view. This one you can consider for the front view, or if required we can also consider for it as a side view also. And this is only for front view or side view, and this one is for top view. So these are the isometric views of the triangle.